What in God's name is going on back here? Holy shit! It's a zombie! And he's cooking somebody! Well, hopefully it's my scumbag loser neighbor. Because he's a royal pain in my ass! Are you kidding me? This zombie is heating up some hiney. That's nasty. Pew. He's sniffing it. I bet it smells like ass. I'm sure butt crack tastes like crap. Hey, don't be eating ass. It'll give you gas. One big fart and you'll fall apart. Whoa! He almost hit me with a head that unfortunately didn't look like my neighbor Fred. Oh, take it easy. There's no need to be up in arms. It's not my fault you orgy. A smelly ass zombie. I better get the hell out of here before he burns my ass.